Okay, so today I'm going to take you on a quick ride around Chao Anouvong Park. This is a very, very famous spot here in Vientiane, Laos. And it's one of the few places that actually you could walk in, especially for a park. And it's going to be really nice, relaxing drive. A lot of people do come here walking, biking, enjoying the park. They're basically the only major park here in Vientiane, Laos for now. So let's go ahead and take a quick ride around Chao Anouvong Park. Okay, so this park isn't a huge park, but for Vientiane, Laos standards, this is the largest one, and it's also a landmark as well for King Anouvong or Chao Anouvong. So there are a lot of people who come here. Mostly in the mornings and later at night because it does get hot, but there's people here practically all the time. And what a lot of people do is they'll just park their bikes right here or basically anywhere and then just walk around. So this is where most people come. There is this main park area over here, and I'll show you that right there. There's the main park area. And then Chao Anouvong is up there, and I'll take you by there as well. But then later at night, there's like stalls and stuff here. The retailers come out and sell their goods from afternoon till night. And let me go ahead and show you what we have here. And obviously here in the park, just drive carefully, drive really slow, especially considering that there are families, kids walking around this park. So you definitely want to be mindful and respect the roads and also watch out for people. And so this is the main part of the park, and as you go further you're going to see more of the areas where people set up the market, the night market, I would say, even though they do start coming in the afternoon. This is a very simple park, and I think there is a much larger park area that's being built right across the street. This is right next to the Mekong River at the time of this video, so hopefully they'll get that done because more parks anywhere I think is a great thing, especially in a big city. And Vientiane is the largest city and also the capital city of Laos if you've never been here. And there is an area here for kids to play. There's a playground over here. And once the night comes and all the market stalls are set up, it does have a different feel to it, but there's still a lot of people come out and walk. So right now it's like 12 o'clock, so it's kind of hot. So there's families right there. And that is basically it. If you keep going, you're gonna come to the market area when it's set up at night. And you could ride your bike all the way through this, which is convenient. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn back around. This is kind of what you can expect if you are coming here. And there is, to be honest with you, a lot of pollution here in Vientiane, Laos. And so anywhere you could get, you know, some trees, cleaner air, this is it. But throughout most of Laos, you have a lot of nature, you know, a lot of mountains, trees, stuff like that. So there's still a lot of nature here in Laos. It's just here in Vientiane, there's just not much of it. But it looks like they're making some plans to change that, and I'm really happy that's going to happen at some point. So here, when you come through this way, this is more of the entrance. The way I showed you earlier was the back way. And this is where most people come. So like I said, it's a very simple park. They do keep it clean, which is nice, because trash is a problem here, pollution, as in most places in Southeast Asia, especially in the bigger cities. So you probably saw some people cleaning up the park, and that's a good thing. And obviously a lot of tourists come here, but also a lot of locals as well. So this is the front area, and we'll go ahead and go around and see Chao Anouvong. And Chao, it means king in Laos. So Anouvong is the name of the king, if you're curious. So here's the park area. People just park and just come sit out here in the middle or walk around. And there is Chao Anouvong, and I'll show you how that looks like. And in this area there are some food stalls if you happen to get thirsty or just wanted a quick snack. As you can see there. There's also a fountain here on the left, but every time I've been here it doesn't work. Right there. But there's Chao Anouvong pointing across the Mekong River to Thailand. So there's definitely a story there, but he's a beloved king. And then over here, if you go back here, there's a place that you could exercise. They have these exercise machines and a little lake area or a little small water area. So as you can see here, there's a place for you to come out and work out, but also a little area here to just sit and relax. And that is basically it. This is Chao Anouvong Park, the only major park here in Vientiane, Laos right now. And I think if you do enjoy parks and walking like I do, you probably want to come here often if you can, if you're not too far away. And then here is the fountain. And then I'm coming back to where I started at the beginning, right there. Market, right? In the afternoon. Yeah, it's primarily a night market that's set up here. So the Mekong River is right there. And then you have all the tourist spots right across the street. But yeah, at night, this place starts really getting packed with all the retail, tourists, food. Just a really good time. And it's right next to Chao Anouvong Park. And they park back there and they bring all their stuff set up here every single day here in Vientiane, Laos. That is Chao Anouvong Park. This is a really famous tourist area, but also one of the few areas that actually has a park that you can walk around, enjoy a little bit of nature here in this big city. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other places that you enjoy going to here in Vientiane, Laos, be sure to leave in the comments here below, and I'll see you on another episode.